Welcome! In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to unmute words on the X app for PC after the new update. Whether you muted a few phrases in the past or just want to stay up to date with every conversation again, this quick walkthrough will help you adjust your settings in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen, where you'll see the main menu. There. You'll find a small icon labeled More. Click on that to open an extended list of options. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. This menu is where you can manage most of your account preferences. Inside it, look for the section called Privacy and Safety. Click on it to continue. From there, you'll need to find the option named Mute and Block. This is where all your muted accounts, words, and blocked profiles are located, giving you full control over what you see and what you don't. Within that menu, select Muted Words. You'll now see a list of every word or phrase you've chosen to mute. Sometimes, you might have muted a term months ago and forgotten about it. This is the perfect place to bring it back. Once you've found the word you want to unmute, look to the right side of that term. You'll notice a small unmute icon next to it. Click on that icon and immediately the word will be restored to your feed. That's it. The word is now unmuted, and you'll start seeing posts or comments containing it again. It's always good to review your muted words once in a while, especially if you've noticed certain topics missing from your timeline. Keeping your feed up to date ensures you don't miss out on the discussions that matter to you, and that's all you need to know. You've successfully learned how to unmute words on the X app for PC with the latest update.